This is the video acceptance for the PCBRM-12 from Air-Vac. I'll start with a once around, and then we'll show you running. See if I can get a close-up on that serial tag. They're notoriously hard to come out in video, but I can definitely send you a picture if this doesn't make it through legibly. Okay, on top there's just a cord. Okay, over here's the foot switch. I'm going to press it and you'll see fountain coming up. It's going to run for about 7 seconds and then turn off the way we have it set up. And Mr. Foistel here will run you through the control panel.
This is the overtemp module, but it also displays the current temperature that it's set at. This is the flow rate or pump speed. If we start it again, you'll see if I increase the pump speed, it's listening. See if we can get it to squirt a much larger volume of solder. Turn it down. It's about halfway, about where it should be. This is the duration, that's the 7 seconds. This is an option for well heaters, they call them. So some of the larger nozzles can have additional heaters in them. This would be where you would connect those heaters. And then this is power. This is reset. In case you hit the E-stop, this resets the E-stop. So if I push the E-stop, you'll see that we're going to lose power here. Power went out. If I hit reset, power is restored. This is in lieu of a foot pedal. We can go from automatic mode to a continuous mode, where it'll just run all the time, independent of the foot switch. And this would put it into standby mode, so it'll lower the temperature of the pot for long-term or medium-term storage.
Okay, that's about it. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.